In this video, we will solve the equation 2 to the t equals t to the 32 step by step without a calculator, and we will not skip any step. Step 1. Since t is raised to the 32 on the right, it is natural to try making t a power of 2. Let t equal 2 to the k for some exponent k. Step 2. Rewrite both sides using the substitution. The left side becomes 2 to the t, which is 2 to the 2 to the k. The right side becomes t to the 32, which is 2 to the k, all raised to 32. Step 3. Use the power of a power rule. 2 to the k, all to the 32 equals 2 to the k times 32. So the equation becomes 2 to the 2 to the k equals 2 to the 32k. Since the bases are the same, their exponents must be equal. Step 4. Solve 2 to the k equals 32k by testing integer values of k without a calculator. We compare 2 to the k and 32k. 4k equals 1. 2 versus 32, too small. 4k equals 2. 4 versus 64, too small. 4k equals 3. 8 versus 96, too small. 4k equals 4. 16 versus 128, too small. 4k equals 5. 32 versus 160, too small. 4k equals 6. 64 versus 192, too small. 4k equals 7. 128 versus 224, too small. 4k equals 8. 256 versus 256, match. Therefore, k equals 8. Step 5. Recover t from the substitution. T equals 2 to the k. With k equals 8, t equals 2 to the 8, which equals 256. Step 6. Check the solution. Left side, 2 to the t equals 2 to the 256. Right side, t to the 32 equals 256 to the 32, which is 2 to the 8 to the 32 equals 2 to the 8 times 32 equals 2 to the 256. Both sides match. Therefore, the solution is t equals 256.
Thanks for watching Myverse Maths. If this helped you, hit that like button, drop a comment, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick maths tricks and proofs. See you in the next one.